Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how you can add headings in HTML. So basically, previous video we learned how to add title in our HTML website, and now in this video we will going to type how you can add heading in your HTML website. So before that, as we can see, we just need to give some spaces into the closing tag, and then here we will going to type a new body tag over here. We're going to give a body tag, and then we're going to close the body tag like this, and in between this body tag we will going to use our H1 tag, so heading tag. So it's very simple. What you can do, if you just keep a space over here and if you use H1 and then if you type anything like hello world, and now if you close it, this is your first heading tag and it's called H1 tag. You just need to give the H1 tag over here. So H1 tag, basically it's an open tag H1 and it's a closing H1 tag. So basically what will it's happen if you save it, and now if you go for your index.html, as you can see that there is a new type called hello world over here. So it's called H1 tag. So there is 6 different heading tag in our HTML. So we will going to show you in order. So now we're going to type here H2 tag and type hello world. Going to close it, and now we're going to type H3 and going to type over here hello world H3, and now we will going to type over here H4 hello world. I'm going to close it, and there is also 2 tag called H5 . I'm going to close H5 tag, and now we're going to try H6. I'm going to type hello world H6, and that's it. Now we're going to make it save, and now if we just load it, and as you can see that first one is H1 tag, second one is H2, third one H3, and fourth one H4, H5 and H6. So this is how you can add heading in your HTML website. It's a very simple process. You just need to follow the structure. First you have to give a open up with the HTML tag and the closing HTML tag. In between HTML opening tag and the closing tag, you just need to add head tag. In between the head tag, you just need to add the title. As you can see, here is a title, and the next one is we will going to use into the body tag. You can see if you just so in between the body tag we can use the heading tag over here in a very simple way. So yeah, this is how we can simply add headings into your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.